right next to me. This is so crazy. Want to bomb this hill? It's gonna be scary, yeah. As long as you don't get speed wobble. You're so brave. It feels so good having a person to skate with. You with the footwork is so crazy.
No, I'm not gonna go sit next to her.
Winter Wonderland.
All aboard. That's the Polar Express.
Wow. Okay, so I did not know that Texas had In-N-Out. We're about to get some for lunch. I'm super stoked. Hey, how you doing?
Doing pretty good. What can you say for?
Hey, can I please do a double animal style?
Gotcha.
Can I add raw onions and chilies to that?
Add raw onion and chopped chilies. I got you.
Can I also do just a regular fry and a chocolate shake?
Regular fry and chocolate shake, okay?
These shirts here?
Yes, sir.
One of those.
Gotcha. And is that going to be for here today, sir?
It'll be to go, please.
Gotcha. Good.
What's up, guys? So I did not know that Texas had In-N-Out. I don't know why I thought it was just like a California thing. But yeah, so that's what we got for lunch today. I have not had In-N-Out in, it feels like at least a good year and a half. It's been possibly longer, but wow. Yeah, so we're gonna get into this together and yeah, just chat a little bit. Okay, so I consider myself like an honorary Californian. Having lived there for a few years, well, for like over 4, close to 5 years, having so much love for the redwoods and the state park that I worked at, LA culture in itself, music from there and all that. So In-N-Out is definitely a place that like I have a love for. I I've never been the biggest fan of their fries, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes they're hit, sometimes they're hit. Most times they're like decent to, you know, not so decent. But I appreciate that they just put the fries straight into the oil and that's it. So you know what you're getting, which is more than I can say for a lot of places that, you know, are out these days. So yeah, let's try these out. Cheers. Honestly, they're not nasty. They've never been nasty to me. They're just, sometimes they're like, I don't know. Those are pretty good though. So yeah, I left Dolly today. I've been on the road for a couple hours. I'm heading towards New Mexico. I don't know if we'll make it there today, but Dolly made this sweater for Lars with little arms on it so his arms will stay warm. Full body sweater. I cannot wait to put this on him. He's gonna be so toasty warm. I really appreciate this. This is freaking awesome. It's been so great hanging out with my friends for so many days. I usually don't get that many days of hanging out with people. Out of like 365 days, I feel like I spend maybe like 320 of those days alone. So having a few days in a row to hang out with new people, make new connections, old friends, it was just a great time. And I'm so happy that I was able to have that. Look at that. Double from In-N-Out. They are top tier, I think, as far as a fast food chain goes. They have very simple ingredients, very simple menu. Their employees there are so nice. It's always a good vibe when you go in there. But yeah, let's try this In-N-Out burger and let's give this a rating. Actually, I don't think I've ever rated an In-N-Out burger before. So we'll do the burger, the fries, and the shake. We'll give the whole thing a rating. And that'll be my official In-N-Out rating. I rarely come here, but when I do, I usually get this. So yeah, cheers. Fun fact, I am not a fan of ketchup, but at In-N-Out it just works. Honestly, man, if In-N-Out had like slightly better fries, they'd be a perfect 10 out of 10 every single time. Every single time. The double with the hot chilies on it for a little extra kick. The chocolate shake, the fries are not bad. But yeah, if they were a little bit better, it'd be a perfect 10 out of 10. But honestly, I give In-N-Out like a 9 every time that I go. From just like the nostalgia. Like when I first moved to California, In-N-Out was a place that like I've always dreamed of going. When I first moved out to California, going there for the first time was so crazy. And like from getting my first apartment in LA, In-N-Out was always a place that like, you know, when you're strapped on cash, you can get an entire meal there for like $9, which is, for the quality that you get, pretty crazy. So the nostalgia, the customer service, the quality of ingredients, and the quality of the food, it's a 9. In-N-Out gets a 9 for me every time. It's just so close to being perfect. All right, look at this brand new shirt. In-N-Out. In-N-Out, Texas. All right, beautiful shirt. Wear that to remind myself that In-N-Out actually is in Texas. I'm at to finish the rest of this food, then we're gonna hit the road again. Try to get some more hours ahead of us before it gets dark and I get tired. and then we'll figure out where we're staying tonight. So yeah, let's hit the road.
Again, it's an all lives matter discussion. Speaking of Black Panther, according to Denzel Washington, he is being written in the movie by Ryan Coogler. Coogler said he's making it apart just for him as a tribute to the fact that it was completely on the villain's side. And at no point did they even have the respect to show the villain doing something truly evil that like couldn't be justified to say, yes, that's why we shouldn't believe him. They just made this man the villain for being right. Like at the end of this movie when the villain lost, I felt bad.
Yo, I'm driving on the road. Look who's right next to me. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. It's Riley. It's so crazy. Yeah, very dangerous.
Very, very dangerous. I shouldn't have done this.
It's Mr. Ma'am.
Tyson, look, it's Mateo.
Hey, Mr. Ma'am. That was so freaking weird. I was driving and like, you know when you can feel there's a car like next to you for too long? And I was just gonna ignore it because I'm like, what are they like, I don't know, maybe they're like mad at me for going slow or something. And then I look over and it's freaking Riley. She's on her way back home, so yeah, that was a quick little interaction, but that was freaking awesome. The world is extremely small. Never forget that.
shocked to see the local phone company drive down the gravel road within 30 minutes of my route. Outside, a brief technician explained the problem. He introduced himself as Tom and asked me where the box was all from.
Look at all the little black kittens. Wow. Hey, little guy. Oh. Yo, look at you in your sweater. Look. Look at that. You like that? It's warm?